So this is your upper back pull down, commonly referred to as a lat pull down, but we want to do this to target our upper back. Pick how wide your hands are going to go. It's that when you're down the bottom, your forearms are facing straight up and down. With this setup, you're going to get your legs right underneath and push with your toes so that your legs are pushing right into the pad so that you've got lots of stability. That'll allow Brooke to lean back, arch her back, face her chest at the sky so that when she pulls down, spreads apart, she's pinching her shoulder blades together and then getting her upper back. Elbows a little bit further down. Yeah, about there, perfect spot there. You can think of spreading apart as you do this movement, a little bit more pressure going through the outside of your hand. You just want to stay very proud because that's how we're going to get our upper back. The hack is if you feel as though you can't press your legs into the pad, put plates underneath so then you can push your legs into the pad. Lean back, chest at the sky, spread apart, pinch.